span p content div, it is equal to div gpt, line height, 0px, font size, 0px. India has spent less than a quarter of the funds available for a program to clean up the Ganges River over the last 2 years, a federal audit has found, citing lapses in planning and financial management of a flagship scheme. The government had only used $260 million of the $1.05 billion earmarked for the National Mission for Clean Ganga, NMCG, program between April 2015 and March 2017, according to the report from the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. The water quality in 8 of 10 towns surveyed along the Ganges did not meet outdoor bathing standards. Document right, if ISSA banner is equal to free and displaycon banner is equal to 1, document right, govt CMD push, function, govt define out of page float, /65162339 out of page _1x1 desktop, div gpt add 1490771277198 add service, govt poobads, enable sync rendering, govt enable services. The performance audit revealed deficiencies in financial management, planning, implementation and monitoring, which led to delays in achievement of milestones, the auditor said in its 160-page report which was presented to Parliament last week. The Water Resources Ministry, which runs the NMCG, did not respond to a request for comment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's administration committed $3 billion in 2015 for a 5-year project to clean the 2,525 km, 1,570 mile river that remains heavily polluted despite being a water source for 400 million people. Modi, who represents the holy city of Varanasi on the banks of the Ganges, had made a cleanup of the Ganges one of his key campaign promises in the 2014 general election. The Ganges is arguably one of the most revered rivers in the world, and one of the most polluted. It is worshipped by Hindus, who make up about 80% of India's 1.3 billion people. They call it Ganga Mata, or Mother Ganga, and believe a dip in the river absolves a lifetime of sins. But the river, which stretches from the Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal, is also a destination for waste produced by hundreds of factories. Over 3/4 of the sewage generated in the towns and cities of India's crowded northern plains flows untreated into the Ganges. When a Reuters reporter visited northern Kanpur city in March, the river in most parts of the town appeared black in color, with its many factories and tanneries dumping waste into the Ganges. The federal auditor's report contained pictures of untreated sewage being discharged directly into the river in several states. Sewage treatment plants. The NMCG had set a target to award contracts for all sewage treatment plants by last year, but even by August this year it hadn't approved projects to treat nearly 1,400 million liters of sewage daily, the report said. http://bit.ly/2CIODFW right parenthesis. Without stopping sewage going into the river, we cannot imagine a clean Ganga. That should be the top priority, said Rakesh Jaiswal, head of a Ganges-focused environmental group in Kanpur since 1993. The report is a sad commentary on the government's efforts to clean the river.